What's up, y'all? Alright, guys, that's a story about a Crimea family. Everything for their family and something like that. Guys, let me put the widescreen on. Wide angle lens. What's up and good morning to you all from my Russian apartment. I'm Igor in Russia, and this is my YouTube channel where I make videos about St. Petersburg, Russia, exploring Russia, Russian lifestyle, culture, events, reality. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and become a member. Become a member of Igor in Russia and become Igorian. You will get more content, and you'll be a prominent member of our community. Yeah, back to this. His wife is helping people in the front. That's what he says. This is the morning here in Russia. And what we're gonna do in this video is we're cooking with Igor. This is a this is a segment of mine in that I came up with. And in this video, I'm gonna do a breakfast. I already put up the water, and I'm gonna show you a little bit also of this apartment. That's the idea of the channel. By the way, good morning. I'm drinking, actually, this Dolce Gusto is now, I think, largely unavailable since 2022. The prices went up first, and then it was so expensive that I think they just took it away. It's much cheaper to bring it from Finland. All right, so we have put the water on already. We're gonna do, of course, you know what? Boom. All right. Check out my fridge, by the way. But we're gonna do some slivichne sosiski. Are these sausages? Yes, sosiski. Sausages. And preparing also, I like, actually, it's so-called Finnish cheese. It's Russian Brest-Litovsk, I like this brand, but it's Finnish cheese, which is, it's not as fat. That's this distinction. By the way, what about these? These have been here since, whoa, they've been a long time. I need to throw it away. All right, and I have here stuff that I like to bring with me because they're unavailable in the West. This is like special cheese. It's good with beer, for example. Kasichka. Looks like this. It's awesome. It's like not barbecued. It's on the dim. I don't know the word, man. I have some beer. I have some Soviet tarhun. We're gonna drink that, by the way. And what else? We have some beer here, Russian milk. I love Russian milk. That's the most important for breakfast or whatever. We have beer, more beer, alcoholic, non-alcoholic beer. This is, by the way, 8.5% drink. This is a Russian Army energy drink, Taiga. And yeah, that's about it. This is soy sauce from way, I don't know how old this is really old, man. So I think we are almost ready to, let's throw a couple of sausages into the water. It's gonna start to boil in a bit, but otherwise this is like outskirts, a building in an apartment in the outskirts of the city. This is like 50 square meters. It's around 200 euros per month, plus коммунальные, that means water, energy, maintenance, which is like approximately 30 to 50 euros per month. And yeah, I really love this place. It feels like home, even though I'm here only every now and then, but definitely really love it. I arrive and I immediately film so much stuff because I need it for my channel. And of course I like to also explore, but that's why the bag is like that. But yeah, bedroom here, nothing special. Big shelf space. This one I bought from Russian IKEA back in 2021, I think. Russian icon. And otherwise a balcony which is largely unused. There's just some stuff here, largely unused, but this is for shashlik in case we want to do some barbecue. We have some stools here. All right, the water is boiling. We are ready to let's throw a couple of these. And people's been, last time you were wondering that that's why this thing is actually a plastic. It's in a real plastic, not the ones you can eat, but real plastic, non-edible. And quite a lot of sausages in Russia are actually in this type of. So when it's ready, you just cover it out, take it out. But otherwise, it's real plastic. This is not something you see in the West, I think, right? All right, throw in 1, 2. We have this here. By the way, we can put it on if necessary to take the intake. Man, I need to, by the way, wash it. And never thought about it. So we're gonna have that, some Russian so-called black bread. And water is not drinkable from here, so you need to actually buy it. Yes, and let's cut some cheese. Ah, this is so good. Awesome. By the way, usually I've had smetana with my Igor Russian breakfast. There's no smetana this time. Plus, after a few days of being in Russia, I always forget to throw it away. So when I come back, there's a surprise waiting for me in the refrigerator with the old, few weeks old smetana. Not this time though. Very good. I want and one for me. Couple of breads. I think it's too much, but fine for the video's sake. By the way, for the video's sake as well, check it out. This is Doktorskaya sausage, very common from the Soviet times. And if you watch some live streams, we actually bought this special. It's already cut. It's a bit more pricey, meaning, I don't know, this was like a €1 package, $1 package. So this sausage was awesome. But Doktorskaya sausages, they are very common in Russia. That's what people eat since the Soviet times, I think. It's not that meaty, but it's hard to. It looks like this. You can cook it. You can eat it. It's like it's not raw, but it's rawish. I don't know. Very basic, but very good. All right, the sausages are almost ready. By the way, this is not from. Was for one video purpose. I'm not drinking cognac. Hallway. There's a domophone. If somebody would call me, like if people bring order some food, I can open it like this, then press the button, and then it will open. So yeah, a little bit waste of space, you know. By the way, some finished thing here. Moomies. Yeah, waste of space basically, because basically that's the only thing. Its purpose is to pass it and go out. All right, then a toilet. Oops. Unpolite. Bathtub, of course, bathtub. And what else? This is me. Wash up, toilet, washing machine. Not washing machine, what you call it? Or is it? It's a washing machine, yeah. Nice. Very simple stuff. I think, by the way, it's done. Back to this. Hold up, is it hot? Then we have what we have to do? We need it's gonna explode once I push it, check it out. Yeah. But notice, that is actually plastic. Also, Ksenia Peterburskaya. That's a holy person. She lived in St. Petersburg, and one of the... All right, check out this one here. I don't have any tomato ketchup even, I think. All right, this is the Russian style. Voila. Is there anything that we can add here? I have no vegetables. What is this? Ugh, it's been a long time here. Gorchitsa. This is, no, I don't want a gorchitsa. Gorchitsa is not the ketchup, it's mustard. I don't like it. Maybe we could drink a beer. What you guys think? Hren. It's condensed milk, by the way. I don't have my wife doing something really tasty, so for breakfast, right now she's not here. So no use for condensed milk. So, welcome to Cooking with Igor. These are the stuff that I don't do when I'm not in Russia. This feels like life. Wow. Is that what normal people do? It's hot. You see? Plastic. But not all, but most of them, I think. Do you guys know the reason? At least it's easier to take out like this. Then I will just put these fat sausages here on both. Actually, one bread was enough. And put some cheese on it. But let's try this, by the way. This is really good. This is tarhun. Check out my taste test video from tarhun. Igor Russia tarhun, you might find it. I'm taste testing the taste of my childhood. This is so good. This is very, very, very sweet though. But there's no, and probably nobody won't even request, but they don't have a sugar-free version of this. Can you imagine? That's something that I would change. All right, bon appetit. Let's try taste this Igor sandwich with sausages. Eating breakfast while listening to war stories, how Ukrainians shelled the city in, I think, Donetsk or somewhere over there. Guys, I want to thank you for joining me in this breakfast with Igor. Let's see what we will be cooking next time when we do this. Maybe include Olya and do some proper food. Subscribe to the channel. Hope you liked the video. Also, leave a comment down below. What do you eat in your breakfast, as a part of your breakfast? And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye from St. Petersburg suburbs. Thanks for watching.